Oh man, time to wake up. And I gotta go back to school again. Oh, I hate school. I don't want to go to school because they're boring work. You gotta wear a mask all the time and the stupid fire drills. I hate them. Mom? What, Bob? Can I stay home from school? I don't feel good. Too bad, Bob. I know you're faking it. You're going to school no matter if you like it or not. No! Too bad, Bob. Get on the bus. At school. Okay, class, welcome to school. There is a couple changes, though, we gotta go over. Well, you'll be noticing something different when there's fire drills now. We had to put a new horn in. Because the old horn broke in this. So, we noticed over the summertime that the horn was making funny noise and it just popped. The strobe still works on this, so we're just gonna use this as a remote strobe, but when the fire alarm goes off, this horn will sound from now on. So it will, and by the way, this horn is louder too, so this will definitely get your attention, which I like that. Anyways, wait a minute, you put that horn in? They put that horn in? You know what? I had that in elementary school. That was terribly loud. That gave me nightmares, and that used to scare the crap out of me every time it went off. I don't like fire drills for that reason. Because there's a louder horn that I grew up in elementary school, I'm gonna be really terrified of fire drills, even worse than before. I don't want that horn in. Too bad, Bob. You have to deal with it. No! This thing's gonna be scarier. Fire drills are gonna be even worse. And this one used to scare me too, but this is even louder. Bob, live with it. Anyways, class will have our first fire drill in a week. No, I don't want to have one already. Too bad, Bob. Deal with it. One week or 2 weeks later, whatever I said before. Okay, class. Today's fire drill day. When the alarm sounds, please get out of the building. Bob, why are you plugging your ears? Because the alarm scares the crap out of me. Well, deal with it, Bob. You gotta have them. Okay, 10 a.m. drill time. Oh, man. Oh, here it. It's loud! It scared me bad! I can't deal with it! Ow! Man, that would scare the crap out of me. I'm gonna be really terrified of fire drills from now on. That was terrible. That was bad. Bob, deal with it, man. Okay, guys, you can come in the building now. Oh man, that was freaky. The strobe's still flashing? Bob, they still gotta reset the system. Sometimes it takes them a few minutes. Oh man, that was bad. That freaked me out. I've been having another fire drill like that for a while now. Bob, I hate to tell you this, but we're having another one in 2 weeks. No! A few weeks later, man, we're having a fire drill tomorrow again. I ain't gonna be able to sleep because I know what's coming. Ooh, I have an idea. You know what we're gonna do? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sneak in the school, take the horn out, the new horn, and when the fire alarm goes off, it'll just be a remote strobe in the classroom. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, we're gonna sneak in the school. Hope the teacher don't notice. Okay, we're in. Take this horn. Just take it off the wall. Now it's... Now to sneak home. Sneak home. The next day. Okay, class. Today is drill day. At 9 o'clock, the alarm goes off. Get out of the building immediately. Okay, class, it's fire drill. Wait, why isn't the horn sounding? Oh my gosh, where is the horn? It's gone. Are you serious? You know what? We'll evacuate the building, figure this out later. That's where the horn's gone. It must float was too loud, I don't know. Come in the building now. You know, by the way, the horn's out of the classroom. Because we think somebody took it out. Who would do such a thing? We don't know. We're gonna check the cameras though. Okay, I just checked the cameras. Turns out that Bob took it out. Okay, I'll talk to him. Bob, we just found out that you took this horn out of here and put it on my table. Oh, there it is right there. Bob, how dare you? You just tampered with a firearm. Go to the principal's office now. Okay, teacher. Go to the principal's office. Hi, Principal Franklin. Bob, we just caught you tampering with a firearm. You took it off the wall and put it on somebody's desk. Why would you do that? That's illegal. That is tampering. You know what, Bob? You are in trouble. You have to pay a fine. And you know what? You gotta pay a $50,000 fine, and you know what? You're gonna spend time in jail. We're calling the police. No, I didn't mean to. It's just loud. Too bad, Bob.